We'll guide you through how to create multiple user accounts on Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's really convenient having multiple user accounts on one computer because if different people use it, you can then go and keep their files and apps separate. For example, I want to go and let my brother start using this, but I don't want him to be able to access my files. So what we can do is go and create a separate user account. So when the computer's turned on, you can then go and switch between the accounts. And also, we can also go and choose the account by pressing start at the bottom, pressing the account here, pressing the three dots in the top right, and then choosing. So we'll guide you through how you can go and create multiple user accounts. Make sure it's a full video so you know exactly what you need to do. First of all, head to the bottom of your computer. There you can go and find the Windows Start button and you can go and click there like so. Next, you need to go up, find the option for settings. If you can't see it here, you can always go and press search, go and type in settings and then click on it to go and open it up like so. Here we are. Next, you need to go over to the left and you need to go and find the option for accounts and you can go and click there. You can always search for it if needed. Now you need to go and scroll down here and you need to go and find the option for other users. As you can see here it is, we can then go and click on it. If you've already got other users here and accounts, we'll go and see them. Otherwise, you can go to the top right and you can go and press add account. So it's going to be prompted to go and sign into a Microsoft account. You don't have to do this, but it says enter the email address or phone number of the person you want to add. So that is one option. In this case, I don't want to do this. I want to go and create a local offline account. So you can press I don't have this person sign in information, go and wait. And it's going to go and prompt you to go and make a Microsoft account alternatively. I don't want to do that though. As I said, I want to do this without a Microsoft account. So we can go and click there like so. Now it says who's going to use this PC. So you can go and give them a name. So in this case, I could go and type in GR videos. Now a password needs to be set. So I'm going to go and type that in now and go and re-enter it as well and confirm it. Scroll down. The security questions also need to be completed here as well. So I'll go and do that. We've now been successful and what you can do is go and press next. Now you'll go and see the account's now been added. And so you're wondering how can you switch? So as I said, you can go and switch while logged into another account by pressing the Windows Start button. Then you can go and find the account in the bottom left, press the three dots in the top right of this pop-up, and then the account can be clicked here. Alternatively, we'll guide you through how you can do it if we go and log out. I switched to my phone for the part of this guide as we need to go and log out and I can't keep screen recording. So what you need to do is we need to go and log out first of all. So you can press the Windows button like so. Then you can go and press your account here and you can go and press sign out. Then just press sign out anyway, go and wait. So from the lock screen, which we should shortly be on, just go and wait. You'll go and see this screen here. So you can go and click and then to go and switch between the accounts, you can see them here. So I could go and switch to one I just made, GR videos, I'll click there. And then all you need to do is go and enter in the password. So let me do that now. Then I'll go and press enter and you can see it now says welcome. Because this is the first time, there'll be a quick setup process we can run through as well. Go through these different options and you can go and set these to your liking depending upon what you want. So I'm personally not going to have this and I'll go and press accept. And that's it. The new account's now ready to be set up. And you can easily go and switch between accounts once again by pressing the Windows button at the bottom. Then you can press the account. You can press the three dots and let someone go and switch back to my main one, Tucker. I can click there and I'll then need to go and enter in my password and we can be back.